At the center is a handcrafted farmhouse built with purpose and pride, where stories are shared on porches and dreams are born over strong coffee in the morning. Here, every day is shaped by purpose and every task a shared tradition. It's a life that celebrates the simple, the meaningful, the real. Every corner of this farm tells a story of early mornings, fresh eggs, and the sound of laughter echoing down fence lines. Come home to the hills of Middle Tennessee. Come home to a farm that feels like forever.